From wooden biplanes to supersonic jets, one company built them all. This is every Boeing aircraft ever made. Boeing Model 1, B&W. We start in 1916 with Boeing's very first aircraft, the Model 1, also called the B&W. This wooden float biplane was built for the US Navy. Only 2 were ever made, but they launched an aviation empire. Boeing Model 40. Fast forward to 1925, the Model 40 revolutionized airmail service. This rugged biplane could carry mail and passengers, helping Boeing win crucial airmail contracts and dominate early commercial aviation. Boeing P-26 Peashooter. The 1930s brought Boeing's first all-metal fighter, the P-26 Peashooter. With its open cockpit and fixed landing gear, it was the last of the old guard, but the first American all-metal production fighter. Boeing 247. 1933's Boeing 247 changed commercial aviation forever. The first modern airliner, all-metal, twin-engine, retractable gear. It could cross the United States in under 20 hours, cutting travel time in half. Boeing B-17 Flying Fortress. Then came World War II's legend, the B-17 Flying Fortress. Over 12,000 were built. These 4-engine bombers flew daylight raids over Nazi Germany, becoming icons of American air power. The name Flying Fortress said it all, bristling with guns and nearly indestructible. Boeing B-29 Superfortress. The B-17's bigger brother, the B-29 Superfortress. The most advanced bomber of World War II. Pressurized cabin, remote-controlled guns, and the ability to fly higher and farther than anything else. 2 B-29s dropped the atomic bombs that ended the war. Boeing 377 Stratocruiser. After the war, Boeing turned military tech into luxury, the 377 Stratocruiser. Based on the B-29, this double-decker giant offered unprecedented luxury, including a spiral staircase to a lower-deck cocktail lounge. Boeing B-47 Stratojet. The jet age arrived with the B-47 Stratojet. Swept wings, 6 jet engines, and speeds that left propeller aircraft in the dust. This was America's first swept-wing bomber and the blueprint for all jets that followed. Boeing B-52 Stratofortress. 1952 brought the most legendary bomber ever, the B-52 Stratofortress. Still flying after 70 years. 8 engines, massive payload, intercontinental range. The B-52 has served in every major American conflict and will keep flying until 2050. That's nearly 100 years of service. Boeing 707. But Boeing's biggest revolution came in 1958, the 707. The aircraft that made jet travel mainstream. The 707 shrank the world, made international travel affordable, and established Boeing as a name in commercial aviation. Over 1,000 were built. Boeing C-47 Chinook. 1961 saw Boeing's iconic tandem rotor helicopter, the Chinook. That distinctive twin-rotor design moves troops, equipment, and even other helicopters. Used by 20 countries and still in production after 65 years. Boeing 727. The 727 arrived in 1963 and became Boeing's bestseller at the time. 3 tail-mounted engines, no need for ground equipment to start up, and the ability to operate from shorter runways. Over 1,800 built, it dominated regional routes for decades. Boeing 737. Then came the king, the 737. First flight in 1967, and it's still in production. Over 11,000 built. The 737 is the most produced commercial jet in history. From the original -100 to today's 737 MAX, this workhorse serves every corner of the globe. Boeing 747. 1969 brought the queen of the skies, the 747. The first widebody, the first jumbo jet. That iconic hump revolutionized long-distance travel. For 37 years it was the world's largest passenger aircraft. The 747 democratized international travel and became the ultimate status symbol, including as Air Force One. Boeing 757. The 757 launched in 1982 as the narrow-body long hauler. Longer, more efficient, and perfect for transatlantic routes. Airlines loved its flexibility. It could fly across oceans or serve domestic routes with equal ease. Boeing 767. Its twin brother, the 767, also debuted in 1982. The first Boeing wide-body twin, more economical than 4 engines, but with room to spare. It opened up extended overwater operations with just 2 engines. Boeing 777. 1994 brought the most successful wide-body twin ever, the 777. Boeing's first fly-by-wire aircraft, designed entirely on computers. Massive engines, incredible range, and unmatched reliability. The 777 can fly from anywhere to anywhere. Over 2,000 have been delivered. Boeing C-17 Globemaster III. Military airlift got an upgrade in 1991 with the C-17 Globemaster III. This beast can land on rough airstrips just 3,500 feet long, carrying tanks, helicopters, and troops. It's the backbone of US military airlift. Boeing 717. The 717 joined the family in 1998, Boeing's smallest jet. Originally the McDonnell Douglas MD-95, Boeing rebranded it after the merger. Perfect for short regional routes, though only 156 were built before production ended. Boeing 787 Dreamliner. 2009 ushered in the future. The 787 Dreamliner. Revolutionary composite construction, 20% more fuel efficient, larger windows, higher cabin pressure, and more humidity. The Dreamliner makes long flights more comfortable and economical. Over 1,000 have been delivered. Boeing F/A-18 Super Hornet. Boeing also builds fighters, the F/A-18 Super Hornet, the US Navy's primary strike fighter. Multi-role capability means it can fight other jets, bomb ground targets, and refuel other aircraft. The backbone of carrier air power. Boeing AH-64 Apache. On the attack helicopter side, the legendary AH-64 Apache, the most advanced attack helicopter in the world. All-weather, day-night capability, and devastating firepower. Used by 18 countries and feared on every battlefield. Boeing V-22 Osprey. Boeing and Bell created something unique, the V-22 Osprey. Half helicopter, half airplane. Vertical takeoff and landing with the speed of a turboprop. The Osprey revolutionized military transport with capabilities no other aircraft can match. Boeing P-8 Poseidon. Based on the 737, the P-8 Poseidon hunts submarines. It looks like an airliner, but it's packed with sensors and weapons. The P-8 patrols oceans, tracks submarines, and protects shipping lanes for the US Navy and allies. Boeing KC-46 Pegasus. The KC-46 Pegasus is Boeing's newest tanker. Based on the 767, it refuels military aircraft mid-flight, extending their range indefinitely. It can also haul cargo and medical evacuees, a true multi-mission platform. Boeing T-7 Red Hawk. Training the next generation, the T-7 Red Hawk. Boeing's first clean-sheet military aircraft in decades. Designed entirely digitally in just 36 months. The T-7 will train US Air Force fighter pilots for decades to come. Boeing MQ-25 Stingray. Into the future with the unmanned MQ-25 Stingray. The Navy's first carrier-based drone. No pilot, just autonomous refueling missions. The Stingray will extend the range of carrier strike groups without risking human lives. Boeing 737 MAX. The 737 family continues with the MAX series. After early troubles and groundings, the MAX is back in service with enhanced safety systems. New engines and winglets make it the most efficient single-aisle airliner. Over 5,000 on order, airlines still believe in the 737. Boeing 777X. The future of wide-bodies, the 777X. The world's largest twin-engine jet. Folding wingtips let it fit at standard gates despite a massive 235-foot wingspan. New engines, composites, and technology make it 10% more efficient than the competition. Certification expected soon. Boeing X-37B. Even space isn't off limits. The X-37B spaceplane. Launched on rockets, lands like the space shuttle, and conducts classified missions for the US military. It can stay in orbit for years, and we still don't know everything it does up there. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and let me know, which Boeing aircraft is your favorite?